Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I am going to share a super fun book of the month club unboxing. If you're new to my channel, I have been getting this for several months now and I'm really enjoying it. This video is not sponsored. I just genuinely love getting really nice books every month on the cheap. So it's been working out really well for me. And I like to share it with you guys when I open it because it's just that much more fun when I share it with you. So if you're not familiar with Book of the Month Club, basically what it is a monthly subscription box where you can get a very nice hardcover book every month for $14.99. And you can add 2 more books onto your order for only $9.99, which is a great deal. And initially, when you get the invitation to order your book at the beginning of the month, which I'm usually constantly opening and refreshing the app because I'm so excited to see what books I can choose from, the first 5 books are books that they recommend to you. So the first book for $14.99, you need to choose from the 5, and then the add-ons are from an endless number of books that are on the market, so you definitely can find great add-ons. And with the add-ons, you can get 2 additional add-ons for only $9.99. So really a great deal, and I've really been enjoying it. And also, I don't know why this has been happening more recently, but if I don't like any of the 5 selections, I have been given the opportunity to select from an additional 5 books that are just previously recommended books from Book of the Month. So I have been making out really well. Okay, so now that I told you that, there is a promo code below. So if you click on that, you will get your first box for very inexpensively. So click on that and check out Book of the Month. You can skip months too. You don't always have to get it. If you don't want any of the books, you just skip it. It's great. It's a great thing. Okay, so now that I told you all about it, let's open up this box. So since it is February and Valentine's Day is coming up soon, of course I had to get a romance, and you guys are going to know right away what one of these books has been inspired by. The first book, so when you open the box, this is what it looks like, and they always give you a bookmark, which is really cool. And so the first book that I got is Bringing Down the Duke. This is by Evie Dunmore, and it's a love story. And of course, since I just finished the Bridgerton series on Netflix, this was really appealing to me, and I do also want to read those books, so that is definitely on my TBR for the upcoming month or 2. I really want to read them soon before the second series comes out of Bridgerton, but I thought this was going to be a really fun read. And what this is about is, in England, 1879, brilliant but destitute Annabel Archer is one of the first female students at Oxford University. Her scholarship demands that she recruit men of influence to champion the rising women's suffrage movement. Her target, the cold and calculating Duke of Montgomery, commander of Britain's politics. But Montgomery wouldn't be the kingdom's greatest strategist if he couldn't turn the tables and confront Annabel with an altogether different offer. So it's a love story. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and again, definitely has Bridgerton vibes. And then the other book that I got, I have wanted this book for such a long time. It was actually on my Christmas wish list. This is The Invisible Life of Addie LaRue by V.E. Schwab. And I have wanted to read one of V.E. Schwab's books for the longest time. I hear so many people talking about this author and having nothing but good things to say. So basically, I think that what this book is based on is a woman who makes a deal with the devil, and she wants to live forever, and there is a price that goes along with that, and the price that she has to pay for living forever is that no one will remember her after they meet her. So she will never have a long-term relationship with anyone in her life because the second that she meets them, she is forgotten. So she lives forever, but she can't really make any friends, and it's really, really frustrating and lonely for her until I believe one day somebody does recognize and remember her. And again, it's going to be another love story that I'm really looking forward to. It just sounds like such a unique storyline, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. This takes place, it begins in 1714 in France, and then it goes through like hundreds of years, I guess. So since I love especially time travel types of books, I love this because it's going to be going through so many different generations, and I think it's going to be a super fun read. So excited about this. These are the 2 books that I received this month, and there are so many that I want from Book of the Month, so probably next month I might end up getting like 3. And they're so nice, and you can like line them up on your bookshelf. They have the Book of the Month logo there, and they're just super pretty. And since I did not do an unboxing last month, I'll quickly show you the book that I got last month because it was really great. It is People Like Her by LaRue Lloyd, and I have already read this. Such a great book. It was a suspense. It was creepy, especially being out there on social media myself all of the time. It really brought to life a lot of the fears that I sometimes have, putting myself and my family and my life out on the internet. And what happens is there is a woman who is Instagram famous, like super, super famous, and she has a stalker. There is somebody who is watching her and who wants to hurt her and her family. She very much dislikes this woman for reasons that you will find out if you read the book. I don't want to give away too much, but her whole goal in life is to bring her down and to hurt her and to destroy her family, and she does terrible and scary things. So really the type of book that's going to freak you out. It wasn't really like gruesome scary, but it's the kind of scary where you're making sure that all of your doors and windows are locked up tight when you go to bed at night, and you're making sure you're setting your alarm system regularly, and you know, doing all of the things. Now we have the Ring doorbell so that we can see everything around our house and hear all of the things, and you know, it just makes you take a lot more precautions maybe, especially if you are really involved in social media like I am here on YouTube. Not so much Instagram, but on YouTube I'm pretty active. So that was a really, really great book that I recommend as well. If you do decide to participate in Book of the Month Club, you can likely get that one as an add-on, and it was a great read. Okay, so that is everything. I really hope that you will consider subscribing if you have not done so already, and please let me know in the comments below if you belong to Book of the Month Club or if you are considering signing up, because I think it's just such a great monthly subscription box that is so inexpensive. There are so many subscription boxes out there that I just think are not attainable for me because they're so pricey, but these books are not that expensive. For $14.99 a month and possibly a $9.99 add-on is not that bad. And you could also purchase the books to gift to people. It would make for really nice gifts. Most of these types of books range anywhere from $28 to $36 if you were to buy it at a bookstore. So like, why not, right? It just makes sense all the way around for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you're all doing well, and I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.